Well, this is what it looks like outside today. So I will be planting up some bare root perennials. Have you seen plants like this available early in your area? It's very tempting to buy them. And there's some things that you should do when you bring them home so that they grow successfully. So first of all, I bought some Siberian iris, and they're just beautiful. It is Dawn Waltz and Sultan's Ruby. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to plant them up into some pots. And here we go. And here they are. You can see that they're growing already. And if we don't get them out of this bag, they're going to rot. And, you know, we don't want to waste our money with rotting plants. So we're going to get them out. They're not labeled as to what's what. And they're quite a good clump size. Look at that. So I think I'm going to have to take some soil out and put them in the pot. And you want to bury the plant. You see where they were buried here? That's where we're going to bury them too. Might even have to get some more soil out. Okay, they're in. And so you want to continue doing this on with your plants. And then at the end, I will give them all a good drink. And I'm going to put them on my grow racks. But if you don't have a grow rack, what do you do? Well, do you have a bright window? South-facing window. That would be good. If you're in an area like I am, now look at that one. That's not very much at all. If you're in an area like I am, we had a snowstorm last night, and it is March 23rd today. So it's pretty late in the season for us to be having snow. Okay, there, that will find its way up. There's 5 in a bag. Well, if you go and get this in the spring at a garden center, you're going to spend a lot more money than what I did for these. Now, this was $19.99 for the bag, and I got 5 plants in it. So that's pretty good math. And once they're watered in, I may have to add a bit more soil just to top them up. But they're going to appreciate being planted. Make sure there's only 5 in here. Yep, there's only 5. This is a good way to get plants in your garden for less money too. Stretching your dollar. All right, and the last one. So I'm going to bottom water them. And it will soak up the water. Give it about half an hour and this will be soaked. And I'm going to fill it up pretty much there. All right. So there we go with the Siberian iris. And these are going to go into my my meadow. I'm trying to add plants that I know I want in there. So that's done. And then I've got What I also got for my lattice house that we're building is the honeysuckle. And this one is gold flame. Now, I opened it up when I got it, and then I put it in the refrigerator. I have a little bar fridge, so I put it in there until I was ready to get it out. And I'm not sure. Okay, so here it is. It's got pretty good roots. This is the top. This is where it'll come out. So this is the soil level when you're planting it into your pot and outside. So I got a little bit bigger pot for these. You can't get in. Oh, jeez. There we go. There. I'm not going to plant it in that. I'm going to use my soil. Just push it down in, firm up the soil around it. And there we go. And I will water this as well. Well, that's just a quick and easy way to get some new plants in your garden without spending a lot of money. And what to do with them when you've got them so early. I mean, the frost is still in the ground here as far as I can tell. We can't plant anything. If you're one of the lucky ones that has no frost in the ground, you could plant these outside. Anyways, have a good day. Bye. Here they are under the lights. And they'll stay here hopefully until maybe mid-May. And there is the honeysuckle. And I'm using these trays that I saved from some cinnamon buns that we got at Costco. And so the water is wicking up into the plant right now. And that should be gone in an hour, maybe. And here I'm trying to do some winter cuttings of my calycanthus. They've been in there just over a week, and I don't see anything yet. But I put them in these grape containers. And I'm hoping that if they do root, I'll be able to see them through the plastic.